Okay. In this lecture 2, we take a look at a matrix. That's a 2 by 2 matrix of the form A11, A12, A21, A22. Now, if we are asked to find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, which we represent as DET, that A, which can sometimes also be represented by A with 2 lines around it like that, then it is just A11 times A22 minus A21 times A12. So, for example, if we are asked to find the determinant of this matrix, it is just 3 times 8 minus 4 times 2. And 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. And we subtract and we get 16. So the determinant of the matrix is 16 for a 2 by 2. Okay, let's continue with a 3 by 3. Okay. For a 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then, if you want to find the determinant of this matrix, let the matrix be equal to A. If you want to find the determinant of A, then we will talk of what we call minor or minus. The minus are some special signs that each element carries. Now we start by plus. So this one carries a plus minor. This becomes minus and plus. Then this becomes minus, plus, minus. Then plus, minus, plus. But we'll just use just the first row, okay? For the sake of the purpose of what we are doing, we'll just use the first row. Okay. Now, to find the determinant of a 3 by 3, we stand on the first element, first row. So we pick it. When we are picking it, we pick it with its minor, so it's positive. So we maintain the positive sign. Okay. Now, and once I stand here, I will cancel. I will cover the first row and I'll cover the first row and the first column. So I'll be left with this, and that. Right? So I'll be left with what? A22, A23, A32, and A33. So the matrix that I'm left with, I find the determinant of the matrix. I multiply by A11. Next, I go to the second element on the first row, and it's A12. And the minor is what? It's a minus. So I carry it to the minus. It becomes minus A12. Now, I'm at the point A12, right? So the first row moves, the second column 2 vanishes. And I'm going to have this, that. A21, A23, A31, A33. Then I come to this one, the last element of the first row, which is A13. But the minor is what? Plus. So plus A13 multiplying Now, I stand here and I cover the first row, the third column, and I'll be left with what? A21, A22, A31, A32. Now, we can find the determinant of this 2 by 2, so it's not a problem. By the time we finish with this computation, we would have determined the determinant of A. An example. Let's find the determinant of 3 minus 5 If this is our matrix A, to find the determinant, I first determine the minuses. So now the minor of this is plus, minus, plus. It never changes, right? For a 3 by 3, it never changes. Okay. So I take the first element of the first row, which is minus 3. The minor attached to this minus 3 is positive. But if positive multiply negative, I still get what? A positive. So it becomes minus 3. And I find the determinant of, I cancel this and cancel that. I'm going to have 1 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Then plus, I come here, the second element. But the minor on it is what? Minus. And the minus will then the positive. So here becomes minus. So minus 5. Minus 5, right? And once I'm on the second row, second element on the first row, I'll cross this and cross that. So I'm going to be left with 2, 2, minus 3, 2. Then plus, I'll choose this one. Next which is 4. And I'll cancel this and cancel that. And I'll have 2, 2, 1, minus 1. Then I finish the computation. And this is something you can do. You can find the determinant of this multiplied by that. Determinant of this multiplied by that. Determinant of this multiplied by that. And we would have our determinant. Okay. I was trying to be lazy, but let's finish the computation. So the determinant of A is minus 3 multiplying. Now, this time this is 2 minus this times that is positive 3. Minus 5 multiplying this times that is 4 minus this times that is minus 6. So the minus 6 will, the minus will give me plus 6. Then plus 4 multiplying this and that is minus 2. This and that is 2, so minus 2. To finish this off again, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 3 is positive 3. This and this, 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 5, I think it's 120. So I have here minus 120. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 times 4 is minus 16. If there's any correction, you can correct it. Okay, let's move on. Now, 3 minus 120 minus 16. What is it giving us? This and that is giving us 136. 136 minus 136 plus 3 is minus 133. So this is minus 133. So that is our determinant. So we can find the determinant of a 3 by 3. Okay. As an exercise, find the determinant of these two matrices. And please send it to my mail by the close of the week. I hope it can be seen clearly. Now this is a minus 3, eh? Okay, let me just recite it. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. 1, 3, 2, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, sorry, 1. And you have 4 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 1. Okay. We bring this lecture to a close.